You're going to align the decimal of your quotient with the dividend as needed. Okay, so a lot of words. Let's just go ahead and practice one of these. All right, so let's just do the division. It's 8 divided by 0.02. So that's going to be 8 is being divided by 0.02. Okay, so the first step, we need to get rid of all of these decimals until we get a whole number. Okay, so we're going to move 1 2 places, which means we need to move this one 1 2 places. And we'll add in that 0. Let's go ahead and rewrite this. All right, can 2 go into 80? Well, 2 can go into 8 how many times? 4 times. Okay, minus 8, that's going to be 0. Bring down the 0. Can 2 go into 0? 0 times. Okay, so that answer right there is going to be 40. All right, so our answer is 40. Okay, so the main trick here was just to make it look like something we recognize. Okay, so we wanted to get rid of that decimal and to make it look like numbers we recognize, which are whole numbers, because we know how to work with whole numbers a little easier than we know how to work with decimals. Okay, so make into whole numbers. B, last one. So it's 0.088 is being divided by 0.11. Okay, plan, these are all decimals. Not that fun to work with. So let's go ahead and make them into as much of a whole number as possible. So this moves twice, and this moves 1, 2. Okay, so notice here, the only number we actually care about being a whole number is the divisor. Okay, so pretty much we just care about making the divisor the whole number, and the dividend is sort of just the byproduct of whatever happens. Okay, we're just caring about the divisor. So that, oops, sorry, that's supposed to be there. Where did my decimal end? My decimal ended between the 2 eighths. So there we go. Okay, so notice the divisor is a whole number, but the dividend isn't, and that's okay. We're just focusing on as long as the divisor is a whole number. So can 11 go into 88? Yeah, it can. How many times? 8. Very good. But remember, there was that decimal place right here. Okay, and as usual, because we are good vet technicians and people, we're going to add that 0 in front. Okay? So our answer, ooh, I sort of squished it right there. It's going to be 0.8. Okay, so always remember putting in that little decimal in front. Okay, and there we go. We are done. 0.8.